Why is my belt sander not tracking correctly? There's a few things you want to take a look at to help solve this issue. First is the sanding belt. If the belt is not spliced and glued and taped right and cut right, the belt won't track. The second location is the actual bottom drive wheel itself. There will be a slight crown in the center, won't be much, and if that crown is worn down, then the actual belt won't track either, and it could go left or right, so it would make tracking impossible. Then the pulley would have to be replaced. For more information, check out our YouTube channel, hit that little bell, and hit the thumbs up, and pass it along to your friends, and check out our website, www.kalamazooind.com, to get further information. Thank you.